What's up, people? It's been a while since we posted a video, but here we are. So today is a very exciting day for me, maybe for you. Today, Vixen is gonna get some changes made to her. What do y'all think is gonna be changed on Vixen today? Guess we'll see. Come along for the ride, y'all. Since I've got to ride Vixen. I've been on my police motorcycle, but boy, I miss Vixen. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but have y'all ever been so sore in your body, tired from work, just tired, but you get on your motorcycle and all those problems just go away? That's me right now. Boy, I've been working so hard the last few weeks. I really didn't want to get on the motorcycle today because I've been on the motorcycle for the last 3 weeks and my body's just sore. But man, there's just no explaining it.
Bleeding on the chrome, got a fire in my soul. Got a one-way ticket out of here, losing all control. There's an iron horse beneath my bones, it's the only church I know. Leaving dust and broken promises everywhere I go. Gasoline and thunder, that's the only prayer I need. Breaking chains and rules, planting in a rebel sea. Yeah, I'm hell on 2 wheels, living by my own creed. With the black top bleeding under me, a legend guaranteed. Saw a sign for salvation, just kept on riding past. The devil on my shoulder said, boy, you're built to last. Got no destination, but I'm getting there real fast. Every town's a memory, another die is cast. Gasoline and thunder, that's
Alright, y'all, so we're at Faith Cycles for Vixen to get a new look at her, a new look to her. Here's last time we'll see Vixen looking like this. So put it in the comments if y'all guessed what's happening today. What is happening today? Well, I'm so excited. I look like it's Christmas time or something, huh? Alright guys, stay tuned, and I'll get back with y'all when Vixen's ready. Well, we got the call that Vixen's ready. We're back at Faith Cycles. So are you guys ready to find out what changes have been made?
Chains and rules, cladding in a rebel sea. Yeah, I'm hell on two wheels, living by my own creed. With the black top bleeding under me, a legend guaranteed. Saw a sign for salvation, just kept on riding past. The devil on my shoulder said, boy, you're built to last. Got no destination, but I'm getting there real fast. Every town's a memory, another die is cast. Gasoline and thunder, that's the only prayer I need. Breaking chains and rules, cladding in a rebel sea. Yeah, I'm hell on two wheels, living by my own creed. With the black top bleeding under me, a legend guaranteed. They call me a sinner, a phantom in the night, a ghost on the highway, chasing the pale moonlight. But this ain't about being wrong, it's about feeling right. Guaranteed.
Well guys, just got home and I'm happy. I am happy. Just look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Now she really matches her name. Sexy. She's a little dirty, but we'll get her cleaned up. Get that cleaned up. So yeah, we went with the I went with the DNA Mammoth spoked wheels, black spokes with the chrome nipples, Shinko white wall tires. And man, I think it looks real nice. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm sure y'all noticed some other stuff that have been done to it. I don't know if I'm gonna put that video out, but I also upgraded the audio on Vixen. I purchased the plug and play kit from Volunteer Audio, installed it myself by using Jay from Volunteer Audio's videos, followed along. I didn't do it as fast as he made it look. It took 2 days, but hey, we got it in there. Sounds amazing. I love it. Yeah, now I feel complete. There's a couple more things that I want to do to the bike, but that's it. Now I feel like people are gonna be turning their heads to look when I'm coming by. Yeah, I love it. Like I said, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Put in your comments what you put in the comments what you think it looks like. And I appreciate everyone that is supporting the channel. We're growing. That number keeps going up and it keeps getting me excited. Till next time, guys.